Hi guys, my name is Ayaz Mia Sheikh and you know now my YouTube ID AS Fitbar. Yes, so I hope you all are healthy and good. So vaccinate yourself, wash your hands and sanitize your hands. I have done the vaccinate too on my leg. Okay, I have taken vaccine on my leg here. So let's start our topic called space exploration astronomy. A brief history of astronomy. Many ancient cultures followed the suns and stars in order to keep track of time of the year. By ancient Greek times, astronomers had already worked telescopes allowed to peer so far into almost the birth of the universe. Oh my god. Now, astronomical calendars. Many monuments built by ancient peoples such as Stonehenge in the UK align with the sun. These monuments will be being as calendars so that farmers knew when to sow crops. Yes, the ancient farmers. You don't know that in the ancient period they lived farmers. So now Ptolemy, the great astronomer Ptolemy calculated 1022 stars in 48 constellations. He believed that Earth was the center of the solar system and universe, orbited by sun, moon, planets and stars. Conoperius. Polish astronomer Nicholas the sun century of the solar system. It was a shocking idea. At the mint, Earth must be flying through the space and spinning around. Look, I've taught you the solar system. There are 5 Kuiper belt. One is the smallest Kuiper belt, and that Kuiper belt is banded with sun. That Kuiper belt banded with sun. Okay, look, this is the sun. This is the Kuiper belt, just like this. Yes. So in the next part, there is the Mercury, Venus, Neptune, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. Yes. So now I will teach you the Galileo Galilei. Italian scientist Galileo Galilei built a telescope and used to study the night sky. He saw spots on the sun, mountains or on the moon, and 4 moons that orbiting the planet called Jupiter. Now, Isaac Newton. English scientist Isaac Newton worked out the laws of gravity, the force that makes objects fall on the ground. He discovered that gravity keeps the moon on orbit around the earth and keeps the sun around. Okay. Now, modern astronomy. Today's space telescopes was launched in 9090, which such as Hubble give us breathtaking views to distant objects in space, including the farthest galaxy ever seen. So Now, astronomy. People have been looking up at the night sky and marveling at its beauty and mystery of thousands of years. Today, a whole branch of science, astronomy, is devoted to studying stars. Professional astronomers investigate not only stars but everything to do with space, from the meteors and burn-ups, particularly as shooting stars, galaxy billions of light years away. Astronomy makes a rewarding hobby. Backyard telescopes and or binoculars. Whenever astronomers observe the skies, reach us from distant an object in space. We see the moon as it was one a quarter seconds ago, the stars as they were hundreds of years ago. Yes, so the sky at night. Asian stagers saw patterns in the stars and named groups of stars after mythical beings and animals. These star patterns, called Celestian, look little like objects they are meant to represent, but they still use the divide the whole sky into 88 centimeters, each of one named after the constellation within its star, which constellations are visible at particular time and space can see at midnight in January from the northern hemisphere. Look guys, this is the ancient man. Here is the biggest U. Yes, and this is the regial. Regial. Yes, so Orion the Hunter, one of the best known and the brightest constellation is Orion the Hunter. Orion included the red giant star Betelgeuse and the blue-white super bright Rigel, two of the brightest stars in the night sky. I don't know who is that like this. Like I've taught you Rigel, Betelgeuse. I don't know who is that man, but I know that he is the ancient period man. Now the how telescope work. The invention of the telescope revolutionized astronomy. A telescope collects more light from an object that an human eye can uses this light to form a magnified image. There are two basic types. Refracting telescope was a large convex outward curving lens that the refracting telescope uses a curved mirror instead. Curved mirror. I've taught you in the space exploration part 2. No, part 1. Many types of telescopes. Yes, lenses, telescope like eyes. Look, yes. So I am telling you about the. Look, this is the rocket and this is the lens. Okay, and this is the eyepiece lens, magnify image, focal point. Yes. Okay guys, 1 minute. Yes guys. So, and this is the light from the star. Now another one. What? Rocket. No. Curved mirror telescope. Yeah, look. This is just like a missile or a rocket. It is called the eyepiece, focal point. eyepiece, focal point, light rays coverage, light from the star, smaller mirror. And look, this is the main mirror that reflects the sky. Reflecting telescope. A convex inward curving main mirror reflects light from on a smaller flat mirror, the resulting image is magnified by an eyepiece lens. Okay. Now, in the ancient period lived many animals. No. So I will teach you. In the ancient period, the bear is called in the ancient language the Great Bear. Ursa Major is named after a bear. The 7 bright stars means the Ursa. The Great Bear named is Ursa. What is that? Ancient period is very that. So I was teaching bright stars running from its tail from a famous group of stars known as the Big Dipper of love of the last to this point to the pole star, which is always due to north and ancient times. Sailors used to this star to find the way. Look guys, I don't know how to make bear of the from the finger, I don't know, but I will make a dinosaur. You have to think that it is the Ursa, means the Great Bear. Look, this is the Great Bear. This is the pole star. This is the pointers. No, this is the pole star. This is the pole star. This is the pointers. Okay. So, yellow sepia. This collection is named after a man queen in Greek mythology. It's very easy to spot northern skies as it looks so wonky letter V. Look guys, in the ancient period, a lady is a queen, but she don't have any well clothes. In the ancient periods, in the ancient period, the queen was living. Her name is Calliopeia, and she had a mirror like a makeup mirror. Yes, so she see in the bright sky or night sky or stars. Okay, so but when she looks in that mirror, it seems like wonky, like letter W. Seeing the invisible. Professional astronomers don't judge the visible light to see the sky. Their telescopes can also create images from the wavelengths of the light waves of infrared rays. The images below on the Calcapus supernova, the wreckage left by a giant star that exploded in 2019. Okay, so I will taught you now X-ray image. This image of Kepler supernova is from the orbiting Chandra X-ray observatory. It shows a cloud incredibly hot gas that emits high energy of X-rays. Yes, that was an X-ray image. Just like this, just like our brain X-ray image. Look, this brain. When we look in the X-ray, brain X-ray, it looks like an Kepler supernova. It just looks like a copy brain, but it's very largest than astronomers. Visible light image. Very little of the object can be seen in the visible light, even it is the image of from the Hubble Space Telescope, the bright areas of the clumps of gas. Yes, you know. Infrared image taken by the Slipper Space Telescope. This infrared image shows dust like clouds that were heated by a shock wave from the exploding star. Now, combined image. Combining all the three sources produce a complete image. A shell of supernova debris expanding into space that 2000 km, 2000 miles per second. Oh my god. Look guys. This is the earth. In the outside of the earth, this is the east way, this is the west way, this is the south way, this is the north way. There are 4 departments. Yes. So now measuring brightness. The size of the white spots of the chart show the bright the stars are. Astronomers call this magnitude and measure on a scale that runs backwards. The smaller the number, the brighter of the star. Okay guys, my topic is over. Take care and like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon, share to your friends to be knowledgeable, and go to my channel AS Speedbar, like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, so bye.